Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Valorant. We couldn't install a required dependency. So let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. So first is we need to completely close the Valorant in the task manager. So in the Windows search bar right here, type task manager. Click on it under the best match. Now in the Task Manager window, maximize this. Click on the details on the left pane. Then we need to look for the Valorant or Riot client from here. Now once you find that, so I don't have it from here. Once you find that, just make a right click and then select and process tree and then select and process tree button again. Now once done, close the task manager window. Then in the Windows search bar, type services. We are going to check the VGC service. Click on it. Then simply scroll down to letter V as these are arranged in alphabetical order. Once you find VGC, make a right click, select properties, startup type, make sure this is automatic. If this is already running, click on stop. Click on start again to restart the service, apply, and then OK. Now once done, close this. Then for the next method, click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on apps, installed apps. Then here, simply search for Vanguard. Then click on these three dots, select uninstall and then uninstall once again. Click on yes. And now the Riot Vanguard has been uninstalled from our Windows. Now make a restart of your Windows. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. And after that, launch the Valorant application. Then from here, this will just reinstall the Riot Vanguard on your Windows. So as you can see, installing Vanguard. So that's it. That's how you can easily fix the issue. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.